Important discoveries quiz. Blood circulation was discovered by William Harvey. X-ray was discovered by W.C. Roentgen. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Chloroform was discovered by James Simpson. Oral polio vaccine was discovered by Albert Sabin. Aspirin was discovered by Felix Hoffmann. ECG was discovered by William Einthoven. Blood transfusion was discovered by James Blundell. Antiseptic was discovered by Joseph Lister. Kidney machine was invented by W.J. Kolf. Small Pox vaccine was discovered by Edward Jenner. Cholera vaccine was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Nucleic acid was discovered by Miescher. Radium was discovered by Madam Curie. Who discovered malarial parasite? Ronald Ross.